Xbox.
Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the LCD display assembly from a Dell Inspiron 11 version 3185. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Use a thin object to remove center screw cover. Now unscrew and remove bottom base cover. Now unscrew battery. Then disconnect and remove battery. Then unscrew bracket and remove LCD cable. Then disconnect ribbon cable from motherboard. Now unscrew bracket. Then disconnect antenna cables and remove wireless card. Then unscrew hinges and remove LCD display assembly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.